South Carolina 28 is 6.
Chester, South Carolina, a small town with a big crime. Police pulled over 51-year-old Eric Bernard, who seemed willing to chat, until he hit the gas and led them on a high-speed chase that ended in a crash.
Right on Ashford Street, head northbound.
1050.
Once in handcuffs, officers searched his truck and found 112 grams of fentanyl and 56 grams of meth. With a helicopter tracking his every move, officers tried using spike strips to slow him down, but it wasn't easy. Kevin was pushing over 100 miles per hour, making it tough to time the spikes perfectly.
Honda Civic green sticker in the back window.
After dodging the first set, Kevin tried to fake out the police by taking an exit, but the helicopter kept them right on his tail.
Continue. Yeah, he's continuing westbound. He's not taking.
Another spike strip attempt finally hit its mark, and Kevin's car was running on borrowed time.
Outside lane.
They've got the information. We don't know who's en route yet.
Okay, he's spinning out, guys. Looks like his tire just went out. He's just lost control. He's off to the median.
62 Central, he's signal forward. Press CDD behind hard curve, he's driving like...
Besides pit maneuvers and spike strips, police have another tool that makes catching criminals a lot easier: the grappler. It's safer than a pit and more reliable than spikes.
Good grappler. Oh, there.
LaQuandra Borden could have walked away with just a fine after getting caught shoplifting at Walmart, but instead, she turned a minor offense into a 7-year prison sentence. It all started when police caught LaQuandra and her friend, Chastity Stokes, stuffing over $2,000 worth of goods into their cart. When officers stopped them outside, everything seemed calm, until LaQuandra asked to grab something from her car. Next thing you know, she's hitting the gas, a shot's fired, and a high-speed chase is on.
Get out of the car! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Put in park! Put in park! Put in park! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car!
With 3 tires and a bullet wound, LaQuandra somehow keeps going, weaving through traffic and nearly running cars off the road. Spike strips finally put an end to the madness. LaQuandra's wild ride earned her 7 years behind bars. All she had to do was apologize and hand back the stolen items. Now that's what you call a costly mistake. What you're about to see isn't a Hollywood action flick. It's a real-life police chase through the tight streets of Osasco, Brazil. Some say it's the best chase footage ever captured. It all... The biker dodged traffic, cut tight corners, and pulled stunts that would put a Hollywood stuntman to shame. But the officer wasn't letting up. When traffic... The biker knew he needed something drastic to shake the cop, so he dove into residential neighborhoods. He almost pulled it off. One more turn, and he might have escaped. But as incredible as this chase was, it had to end. Based on his skill and knowledge of the city, this wasn't his first chase. And now, it might be his last. With moves like that, both of these guys could have had a career as Hollywood stunt drivers. Thanks for riding the adrenaline wave